Cunningham stocking house, built in 1942 in the Federal style. This house, built for Harold and Pauline Cunningham in 1942, was designed by the architect C.C. Palmer. Harold was vice president and general sales manager for O. Ames Company, a leading industry in Parkersburg in the mid-20th century. Pauline was a former Miss Florida. The main entrance features decorative clay urns and an iron gate to the north side. The south side of the house has a veranda, an arched entranceway, and a double garage. The interior features a large central foyer, mahogany doors, beautifully crafted built-in cupboards, and shelving in the dining room, library, and breakfast room. It has 4 ornate fireplaces, a wet bar, game room, 5 bedrooms, and 4 full and 2 half baths. The original servants' paging system with call buttons throughout the house is still in working order. The present owners are fortunate to own the original blueprints for the house and are committed to maintaining the home's original grandeur. Upgrade and maintenance work is ongoing to include the installation of 4 contemporary HVAC units, upgrades to the wiring and plumbing, refinishing of wood floors, updated baths, and cosmetic work.